Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I'm going to be sharing the tafsir of Surah Yusuf from ayah number 31 to 33. So let's get started. Ayah number 31 says, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. فَلَمَّا سَمِعَتْ بِمَكْرِهِنَّ أَرْسَلَتْ إِلَيْهِنَّ وَأَعْتَدَتْ لَهُنَّ مُتَّكَأً وَآتَتْ كُلَّ وَاحِدَةٍ مِّنْهُنَّ سِكِّينًا وَقَالَتِ اخْرُجْ عَلَيْهِنَّ فَلَمَّا رَأَيْنَهُ أَكْبَرْنَهُ وَقَطَّعْنَ أَيْدِيَهُنَّ وَقُلْنَ حَاشَ لِلَّهِ مَا هَذَا بَشَرًا إِنْ هَذَا إِلَّا مَلَكٌ كَرِيمٌ. So the translation the translation of this ayah is that hearing of their sly talk, the chief's or Aziz's wife sent for those ladies and arranged for them a banquet or like a gathering, and got couches ready and gave each guest a knife. Then, while they were cutting and eating the fruit, she signaled Yusuf alayhi salam to come out to them. When the ladies saw him, they were so struck with admiration that they cut their hands, exclaiming, Allah preserve us! This is no mortal human. This is nothing but a noble angel. So let's look at the tafsir. Ibn Abbas and others commented that Aziz's wife prepared a sitting room which had couches, pillows to recline on, so like she arranged something, a gathering with a lot of relaxation, and food that required cutting, like for example fruits or something. So when Yusuf alayhi salam was ordered to come in front of these women, they were amazed by his beauty and they injured their hands with knives. In an authentic hadith, Prophet ﷺ passed by Prophet Yusuf during the night of Isra and Miraj in the third heaven and commented that he was given half of the beauty. So let's move on to the next ayah, ayah number 32. It says, قالت فذلكن الذي لمتنني فيه ولقد راودته عن نفسه فاستعصم ولئن لم يفعل ما آمره ليسجنن وليكون من الصاغرين. It means that she said, so now you see, this is the one regarding whom you reproached me, or you were talking about me. Indeed, I tried to tempt him to myself, but he held back. Although, if he were not to follow my order, he would certainly be imprisoned and humiliated. So let's look at the tafsir. The wife of Aziz said to the women that this is the man about whom you blame me. So like she said that you blame me about him. He's been living with me all these years and I've been controlling myself, and you came here and the first time you saw him you cut your hands. Look at yourself. So this was kind of like her lame excuse of her actions. So this was an excuse for her behavior. She warned Yusuf alayhi salam that if he did not do what she was telling him to do, then he would put him in prison where he would be humiliated. So let's move on to the last ayah for today, which is ayah number 33. It says, قال رب السجن أحب إلي مما يدعونني إليه وإلا تصرف عني كيدهن أصب إليهن وأكن من الجاهلين. And it means that Yusuf said, my lord, I prefer imprisonment to what they ask me to do, and if you do not avert from me the guile of these women, then I will succumb to their attraction and lapse into ignorance. So let's look at the tafsir of this ayah. Yusuf alayhi salam was alone among these women, looking at him, inviting him, and at this time he prayed to Allah to protect him from these women, and that the prison was more beloved to him than the thing to which these women were inviting him to. So these were the ayahs for today. Inshallah, I'll continue further in the next video. Till then, fi amanallah.